everybody, and welcome back to Caldera Creative Creations. My name is Roxana, and today we are making another Easter wreath, and we are working with a hoop, beautiful and ordinary wire hoop. We are working with some burlap ribbon. We got these carrots, some carrots. We got this bow I made right here. Got this in here. I kind of put an extra piece of wire because it was too long. Okay, we got it though. We got it. Look. Ay. I think I made this kind of long. Anyway, we're getting there. Let's just put it all together, huh? Just get that in there. There. So when you have those little knots and it gets kind of complicated. I think I made too much wire, but I kind of put an extra wire because it was too long. We got it though. We got it. Look. Anyway, we're getting there. Until the next video, we're still going on our Easter wreaths. Have a great and wonderful day. See ya. Like, share, and subscribe.